Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? Well, it's the start of another wild week in the market as well as crypto. We're going to take a look at Ethereum and how their support levels continue to hold up. And we're going to take a look at what we can see going forward as far as the market is concerned. All that in this week's episode. So hit that like button and let's get to it. But before we get into that, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of our recent subscribers. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep it up. I thank you very much. And with that, let's get to the charts. All right, here we are with the S&P. As you can see, over the last 5 days, we have actually up 4.67%. This is huge. This is a large gain for last week. Could we see some pullback? We might see a little pullback, but I really think that we might have reached the bottom. Some analysts say we have not reached the bottom. We still have a whole more 50% more to fall. That's a hard pill to swallow. But as long as you're dollar cost averaging into your investments, even if we do drop 50%, you can still average in your prices for the long run. Remember, you are in this for the long haul. I'm in this for the long haul. We're talking 5 to 10 years down the road. Continue to dollar cost average in, and you'll survive any downturn in the market. Also, my Robinhood, quickly pull that up. There's a lot of talk of Monkey Pox. I'm sure you've heard that in the news. Monkey Pox is all over the place. New York released information recently that they have the highest cases in the nation. So companies like biotechs like GoVax, Geolabs is one of these virus vaccine companies, biolabs, whatever you want to call them. And it has grown huge. It's kind of heading downward a little bit, but it started off at $2 a share. I actually got into it under $2 a share and made about $70 before I sold out of it because I thought that the ride up was pretty much over. But with the continuing news coming out about monkeypox and monkeypox getting worse and worse, I could see this continuing to go up. We might see a little pullback, but I can see this continuing to go even upwards, maybe $5-6 a share. So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in on this, at least until the hype of monkeypox dies down. Here we are, and my stash account. We got to go over my stash account once again, using my auto stash, depositing $80 from my pay period this past Wednesday. As you can see, we are up over $1,000, $1,129. So we continue to go upwards, even in this volatile market. We can take a look at the previous investments. Of course, my Nvidia is only down 8%. It was down about 12% and down 20% in the previous weeks. Apple's up 6%. Tesla's up. Tesla's climbing today. And we also have, of course, my Spider ETF. And then Pepsi's up big. Some of my other investments. Let's see. Here we got Alphabet. Google's down 7. Coca-Cola's having a really big week. Meta's down. Meta's been down almost 50%. It's climbed back a little bit, only down 25%. I think it's pretty much reached the bottom with this freaking stock. So it's only going upwards from here on out. I can't see it dropping more than 50% than its previous lows. And we also have Amazon up 7%. So you can see that we are continuing to move forward. We're increasing our wealth and our investments. We continue to do our auto stash, $80 every pay period, and you can see how it grows and continues to grow. Here we are, my Coinbase. I do want to touch on Ethereum. You can see here I have the month chart, and you can see it all started in July 13th. As you can see, 888 was my holdings with Ethereum, and you can see how much it has jumped all the way up, as high as almost 18, maybe even 19. Did it jump to 19? Nope, 18. See, 1845 it looks like was the highest. I mean, that is 1,000-point increase in about 2 weeks. So that is insane amount of return, and I think it's going to continue to increase. May not be this week, may not be next week, but once this merge happens, remember guys, September 16th is the date of the merge. Unless it gets delayed, you're going to see a very significant bull run of Ethereum. So we could see it jump. I mean, it may not hit 10K, 20K till maybe a year from now, but you're still going to see it hit maybe 4,000. New all-time highs are definitely in the future for this asset. So again, $1,000 return so far on Ethereum in just 2 weeks time. So that's great. And as always, we like to go over my personal portfolio at the end of the video. Here we have the previous total was $3,729. I made 80 cents, $87 improvement from the previous week. Now let's go ahead and put in the new numbers. I have already inputted them. And here we have August 1st, which is today. We have my stash up 1123, and Robinhood 615, Gemini's 304, Webull 104, increased a little bit. I think that was because of Robinhood stock climbing a little bit, not very much though. And Coinbase 1797 climbing, continuing to climb, and my FTX account, where I have gone ahead and opened up and started purchasing my Ethereum there. The reason being, I mentioned in a previous video, so my Ethereum isn't staked, it isn't locked. If something should happen, I'll be able to retrieve that money and not suffer any losses. So I went ahead, plus they give you 8% APR, so you know, it's a win-win. So total, we are at $4,378. We are officially over the 50% mark, 55%, and we went up $649 from the previous week. That is great. Let's continue to keep this rolling and simply dollar cost averaging in, putting in a little bit of money, any type of extra money you have into these assets, and watch it grow exponentially. So that's all I've got for this week. Again, a big thank you to all of my new subscribers. Make sure you continue to watch my channel. Tomorrow, Tuesdays, I have video game videos that I'll be uploading. If you have any suggestions or comments, please feel free to comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Send this out to you on your social medias. All it takes is a little bit of money to get started, guys. All you need is $5. You can open up a stash account with as little as $5, or even a Robinhood account, or Coinbase if you want to get into crypto. Personally, I am all bullish on crypto right now. I think that we've reached the bottom. I don't think we're going to see any significant downturns, but even if we do, if you continue to dollar cost average in, you will still come up and average that price down. You will continue to be benefit in the long run. So once again, thank you guys. Make sure you check out my videos on the video game side of things, and I will catch you next time. Peace.